Ever experienced standing in a long line at the cashier, only to find out you missed the cutoff? The hassle, the waiting, the wasted time, lie no more. Introducing AUPShine Online Payment, your faster, easier, and more convenient way to settle school payments anytime, anywhere. No more queues, just smarter way to pay. Here's a quick and easy guide on how to do it using your account.
To begin, log in to your AUPShine account using your student credentials. Once logged in, go to the My Payments section to view your upcoming balances and available transactions. Choose the payment you would like to settle under Upcoming Payments. For campus residence and cafeteria load, students may pay a minimum amount of 5,000 pesos. Next, select your preferred payment method. For this tutorial, choose online payment for a seamless digital transaction experience. Under the payment gateway options, select Smart Pay V2, then click Pay to continue. You will then be redirected to the Smart Pay platform, where you can pay using GCash or any QRPH supported bank or e-wallet. Please note that a 25 peso channel fee applies for online transactions. Click Continue to Payment to generate your QR code. Simply scan the QR code using your preferred banking app or e-wallet to complete your payment securely. After a successful payment, your transaction status and reference number will automatically appear. You can also review your completed transactions anytime in the History section.
With AUPShine Online Payment, managing your school payment has never been easier.